Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into something really handy: how to install YouTube app for laptop in Windows 10 or PC. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, simply type in youtube.com in the address bar and press enter. Now, pay attention here. You'll notice 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. And here's the magic button, Install YouTube. Click on that. It'll prompt you to install the YouTube app. Just hit install. And there you go. The app is installing as we speak. And guess what? Once it's done, you'll find the YouTube app icon right there on your desktop. See? Easy peasy. Now you can access YouTube with just a click. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.